Alright, in this one, this angle intercepts this arc, and this angle intercepts the same arc. Therefore, these measures have to be equal. So we set those angle measures equal to each other and solve for x. Once we solve for x, then we can answer the question, what's the measure of arc AB? We can divide both sides by 2x, and then 2 divided by 2 is 1. X squared divided by x is just x, and 10 divided by 2 is 5, and x divided by x is 1. X is 5, and therefore the measure of arc AB is, well, we can think of it as the blue arc or the red arc. The blue arc is twice as big as the inscribed angle that intercepts it. So arc AB's measure is twice as big as 10x. The measure of arc AB is twice as big as 10x. Twice as big as 10x. And x is 5. Twice as big as 10x, which is 2 times 50, which is 100 degrees. We also could have used the red arc. Arc AB is also the red arc, which is twice as big as this inscribed angle, which is 2x squared. So 2x squared, when x is 5, is 2 times 25, which is 50, and 2 times 50 is 100.